And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'ma be my own best friend.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the door say, excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. So you're trying to leave this. I said, well, dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo, baby. Now, so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow was ours. They say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just one, two step. Now with the music, it's moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, excuse me, miss. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, tryna leave this. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo, baby. I think I'll say, yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah. You're tryna leave this. I saw you dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo, baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You tryna leave? Oh. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby.
Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Homie, you can understand y'all make the dance like this. Y'all make the bounce like this. You gotta know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.